What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bakali, and today's video is going to be about how to make your car's exhaust system, specifically the C63s, basically any AMG in the AMG lineup, how to make the exhaust pop and crack the most through a strategy I developed while owning this car. So I'm gonna go over the strategy, then I'm gonna demonstrate the strategy so you guys can hear me banging gears in the C63s. And that'll be the tutorial. It's gonna be very quick, very short. It's gonna be dope. Let's get to it. First thing that you wanna do is you want to make sure that your car has a manual mode option so you can use the paddle shifters. In this car, there's a manual gear button that you click down here, and then obviously you have the shift paddles on the steering wheel, down and up, self-explanatory. Also, if you have a Sport Plus mode, or some kind of sporty mode in your car, in the C63s we have Sport Plus, and Race. Now, I typically use Sport Plus because extra traction, especially since it's a little cold out. But when it's summer, use Race mode if you're in the AMG. Make sure you use the Sport, whatever mode that you have in your car, just to make sure that the exhaust is fully open. So when you switch it to Sport Plus and the C63s, the exhaust valves open automatically. There is an exhaust valve option right here. There's a button to open it up, but when you go to Sport Plus Race mode, it automatically opens, and you want to make sure that you're obviously in that mode when you're doing this. So quickly to go over the strategy, basically what you want to do is you want to be around second, third, fourth gear. This is a strategy for those three gears. I found those guys have the most pops and cracks using this strategy. Let's say you're in third gear, right? Around 3,500 RPM, 4,500, give it gas to get up to those RPMs, and then let go. And when you do that, you get the most pops and cracks in that gear. You also get pops and cracks when you downshift and upshift. That's normal, but in order to get the most out of it, you essentially, what you want to do, second, third, fourth gear, you want to just get it up to around 3,100, 3,500, 4,000 RPM, and then let go of the gas, and that will make the most pops and cracks out of those gears. Now you're probably wondering, does that stress the transmission a lot? Well, you know, I don't really think it does. I have a temperature gauge for my transmission. I always monitor that just to make sure that it doesn't overheat. As long as it's not cold, make sure your car is not cold when you do this, because you don't want to be banging gears when everything is still warming up. All right, so that completes the strategy. Like I said, very quick, very easy. There's not really much to it. I discovered this while owning this car. My other previous car, I found this to be the best strategy for the most pops and cracks. I'm really excited to show you guys live on the road on how to do this, because I haven't really had any driving videos, so I don't know what we're waiting for. Let's get on the road and let's go bang some gears. All right, everyone, now that I'm on the road, we can actually demonstrate the strategy I was talking about earlier. Try not to fall off the road and die. So essentially we want to go down. Right now I'm in fifth gear, go down fourth gear, and go down to third gear, boom. All right, so now we're at around 3,500. If I give it gas and then let go, around 4,000 RPM, you heard more pops and cracks. Give it a go, boom, pops and cracks again. So really you just want to go up and then let go of the gas when it hits a certain RPM. Just keep going, shift up. That was around 5,500 RPM, let go, and pops and cracks. So right when you shift, you just want to let go of the gas, and you'll get the most blips, cracks, pops, crackle, whatever you might think of. You'll get the most of out of this exhaust. And go up, and pops and cracks there. A little bit more. Yeah, we're good. So again, if we let go of the gear, go down. We're in third gear now. Go to second gear. You got pops and cracks on downshifts. That's just natural. So we're gonna go up, give this some RPM, and then let go. Around 4,000 RPM, you heard that. Go all the way up to 6,500. Let go, and shift, and then let go, and you get the cracks and pops again. So honestly, this strategy has been working for me since I've owned this car. You might have your own strategies that you can use, but I wanted to make this tutorial specifically for AMG owners, and then also any other owners of sports cars that have a sports exhaust or a manual shifting, things like that, just to get more pops and cracks out of their exhaust if they haven't already. I know this strategy worked on my Corvette C7 when I used to own that, and I figured, you know what, if it worked on the C7, it works on the C63s, it has to work on pretty much any other car that has manual shifting and is a sports car. Now, if you guys liked this tutorial, I know it was a quick and easy one, let me know in the comments below if I should make more tutorials like this, and I'll try to make and come up with some more. And also, if you liked the video, please thumbs up. hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also hit the bell so you know when I make my next video. That's pretty much it for the quick tutorial, so I'll see you guys on the next video.